Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card. Maybe you have a new one and you want to use it to pay for groceries. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Sprouts app. Next, click on More in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Account Settings. Then click on Payment Methods. Then click on Debit/Credit. So here's where you're going to enter your credit card information, but we do have some blurred out information. Afterwards, just click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.